What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 209. Just let me quickly refresh this. I don't know why I said we were down. We're up almost 10% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 63.14 billion, 24-hour volume 2.29 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, free Spotify, Netflix Prime travel incentives, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into Solana, guys. Beautiful bounce here. You can see we created a double bottom. We broke the neckline, and we're seeing a nice little recovery here. And your target would bring you all the way up to our first buy zone here at 216. So with the DCA strategy, we entered at 216. We entered again at 188, bringing your average price down to about 200. So currently you're in profit about 3% up to our next buy zone. That's about a 9% trade if you were looking to take profit at that level of resistance. And then we have a take profit zone, the previous all-time high, which is a massive trade, guys, about 30% here at 258. We had a bullish divergence. We created a lower low on the chart on the 4-hour, higher low on the RSI, signifying the bears are losing strength and the bulls are taking over. We're starting to break above the EMAs, so we're looking good here, guys. If we zoom out a little bit, we look at the daily time frame, we beautifully bounce off this trend line. Support here, impulsive wave, come back down, find support along the trend line. Your next impulsive wave, come back down to the 0.786, find support along this trend line. Beautiful large double bottom here on the daily. If we get back above the EMAs, we break this neckline. We're looking healthy for continuation. Your target 272, and then we can head up to the 1.618 at 325. We can use our Fibonacci here to show our next impulsive wave, swing high, swing low. If this is our true bottom, the 1.618 lines up with the larger 1.618 from our Fibonacci pulled back in September, all the way through to our September crash here, coming in at 325 for Solana. Now, if we were to roll here, I would just watch this trend line. If we were to get rejected a little bit, we roll over. Definitely could find support along this trend line here at about 193 and create a smaller double bottom and break out back to the upside. We're looking really healthy, guys. We get back above the EMAs here, and we can see continuation of this beautiful uptrend. You can see here on the daily MACD line is just starting to curl, so we come in, we have the bullish cross, and we're looking beautiful to see our next pump. You can see here we had the bullish cross, beautiful pump. If we zoom out here, we can see we had the bullish cross in July, right around here. Absolutely gorgeous pump. So we're just about to print the bullish cross. We're just starting to curl over. So if we can cross the signal line, then we're looking really, really healthy for continuation. We have our bull run targets based off our Fibonacci. Let me open this up, which are coming in at the 0.272 at 506 for Solana here, as you can see here. Let me just zoom this out to the beginning of our bull run here. You have 3 impulsive waves followed by 2 corrective waves. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, your largest wave, corrective wave 4, and your last impulsive wave before your ABC correction, taking you into your bear market. And within each wave is 3 impulsive waves, 2 corrective waves. So we have wave 5 right here, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, bringing us up to our bull run target at 506. And maybe we'll have a blow off top that takes us a little bit higher here for Solana. But as of right now, guys, we went through our ABC correction and we're looking healthy for continuation, in my opinion. If you're using our DCA strategy, my take profit zone is all the way up here at 258, but you could take some profits here, maybe 50%, because we could get rejected by this level at 216. We have this larger, massive bull flag pattern, targets all the way up here at 290. So that's basically it for Sol. We're looking really, really good in the market overall. If we quickly look at Bitcoin here, you can see we beautifully bounced off this trend line as well. So even if we were to roll a little bit, watch that trend line of support. I would expect us to see a bounce back to the upside. It's not until we lose that trend line that we'd have to start targeting lower price targets. So that's it, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. We're talking about altcoins, new projects, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Beautiful community, guys. All right, see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.